trace with refurbish in the middle. I wanted to get on here and do this 4th installment on this little table. I've been having so much fun with this little table. I've got the golden ticket. I have just been, this stuff here, I have to tell you, is amazing. This is a 1-step metallic liquid patina paint. And it really is 1 step in it, where I've really been enjoying it. I went ahead and used it on the legs. Let me turn this down so you can see. There's one of them. So there's 2 of them that I used the golden ticket. And I just used a brush, and it's 2 layers. It's just the 1 product, and I really like it. Look how nice. You can do 1 layer, you could do it real thin, you can sand it down, but I think I'm gonna leave them solid like that. I'm really excited about that. So I wanted to do something. Let me wind you back up here to the top of this table. Look at all those. Look at all that gold just dripping in there, and the colors. I am really excited at how nice this little table's turned out. Okay, so I have the top here, and I told you I wanted to do something on the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my golden ticket, and I got this here, the IOD roller. I can't remember what the name is. I will look it up. But what I'm gonna do is, I thought I'd put it on the top and we could do this together. I've just got probably more paint than I need in here. I just poured in my little tray. And I've just got a brown piece of paper that I didn't have any newspaper, so I just grabbed this brown paper so I could use it to offload some of this paint. I got the fan going, so I need my feet. So let me go ahead and I'm just gonna load a little more on here. Okay. And take this one real quick. And I just decided I'm just gonna jump right in where I think the middle is, and I'm just gonna roll all the way down to the end. And I'm just gonna keep on going and cover the whole table. And the way this is too, it's not really much gonna matter if you're perfectly lined up, because it's like little tiles, so it'll look good. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna get a little more. Okay. I'm just gonna line the edge of it up with the new one that I'm rolling down. And then I'm gonna go and hit this last little piece on the end of the table. Let's see, if I can get a little more. Get a little more, I must need a little more paint, that the roller wasn't moving. One more try. No, oh, there we go. Okay. So we got that down there. Let's see, I'm gonna go right over this one again too a little bit. All right. So it's not gonna be like a big, huge pattern. It's just gonna be something under there just to break up all this blended wash. So that's that. I will get it top coated and I will stage it, and then you could see it all put together. I haven't showed you, there's a drawer in the front, and I haven't showed you that, so there'll be something new when it's when I stage it. So that's that. I just used the IOD roller and rolled that print on top. Can you see? Look at how pretty that is. I just love it. Okay. Till the next time.